Thanks for joining us on the John Mendola Show. We're driven by McCarthy Tire and Automotive Centers. Well, let's talk with Brian Cutter, talking about the Back Mountain Shootout. Tell us a little bit more about it.
Well, thanks for having me, John. It's actually a tournament that my son actually started it when he was a senior at Lake Lehman, and he ran it for Coaches versus Cancer, and I helped him out with some contacts a little bit, and I think we had 12 teams that year, and it wasn't something that we planned on doing for a yearly basis, but after we did it, it was pretty successful, just with the 12 teams, and after that, we got so many calls the following year that we decided to continue it, and we used it actually as a fundraiser when I was coaching at Lake Lehman, and we used it as a fundraiser to pay our junior high coaches, and it seems to have built up every year since then. I mean, we're in our 5th annual right now.
And it's a great event, and the age range is it's for grades 5 through 8, boys and girls, Brian?
Yeah, that's right. It's for school teams and travel teams and club teams, grades 5th through 8th, and we have a boys division and a girls division. And, right now we're hoping for 40 teams, and we're pretty close to filling it right now.
Tell us about getting teams not only from northeastern Pennsylvania. We're getting teams down from Philly and Allentown area and things like that, and people are starting to get a little buzz getting around it. People could check it out at your website as well, the backmountainshootout.com.
Yeah, it's something that's grown a little bit every year, and the word has starting to get around, and I would say it's probably the biggest boys and girls tournament in northeastern PA. We have teams that come from Lebanon out near Hershey. We have some teams from Delaware County, Cedar Crest, which is out towards the Lebanon area. And then a lot of local teams. We have a lot of teams from the Wyoming Valley and some teams from the Scranton area. So it's a pretty big diversity of teams and kids, and it's a good time for them to all get together and play some ball.
Brian, PIAA officials, you guys are going to have, it's 5-on-5 basketball. I mean, and again, these kids are going to get a few games, and it's a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So some games going on at a couple different locations. Yeah,
this year we're having them at 2 locations. One of the gyms we're having it is at Good Shepherd Academy in Kingston, and actually they're using it as a fundraiser this year for their athletic association. And then also we're having it at the Wilkes-Barre CYC. So we have games going on for 4 hours Thursday and Friday night, and probably 9 to 10 hours on Saturday, and then championship games, which will take place on Sunday.
Brian, trying to get local businesses involved as well if they'd like to help out this event too.
Yeah, this year we started something new. We're offering some sponsorship packages to local businesses if they'd like to get an ad in the program, and we have small packages you can get starting at $25 in our program, and then we're also offering advertising on our website, which you mentioned is backmountainshootout.com, and also our T-shirts. We go through about 400 T-shirts during the event, and that's another thing. They can get their logo put on the T-shirt, and it's all for a pretty good cause. I mean, you're supporting a great local tournament and supporting all these great kids.
Brian Cutter talking to us about the Back Mountain Shootout, which is coming up in March, the 19th through the 22nd. So they're going to start on on a Thursday, wrap it up on a Sunday. And, Brian, I'm sure you're going to be pretty poofed by Sunday, but in the end, people will really love the finals when the action gets heated up a little bit more.
Yeah, it's a long weekend. I mean, it's 4 days of straight basketball, but, after I stepped down from coaching at Lake Lehman, it kind of keeps me in contact with the game, so I really enjoy it. I mean, it's 4 days of great basketball, and, more so than just the athletic part of it. I mean, the kids really have a good time. I mean, teams come from out of town and stay in a hotel, and, the kids get closer, they make new friends, and it's a great experience for kids overall, not just the basketball part, but they learn a lot at an event like this.
Well, Brian, we wish you well with your event, the Back Mountain Shootout, which is coming up March 19th through the 22nd. Check it out online, backmountainshootout.com. Thank you so much for your time.
John, thanks for having me.
Brian Cutter joining us here on the John Mendola Show. We are driven by McCarthy Tire and Automotive Centers.